Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a protective style using some products from Jackie's. Keep on watching. So Jackie sent me their new honey and biotin line. So let's get into this box. So inside the box, we have some alligator clips. We have this super cute comb. And Jackie's spray mister, t-shirt, which I'm about to change into. Now let's get into this line. So in the line, we have the Braid and Twist gel, which I'm going to be using today. We have the Smooth and Swirl Edge Gel. We have the Oh So Strong Shine Boosting Moisturizer. And last but not least, the Braid Setting Foam, Ready, Set, Hold. I'm so excited about trying these products, so keep on watching. So for today's protective style, I am going to be doing some spring twists with some hair that was sent to me from Easy Braid. So I'm gonna go ahead and section the back. I am going to do the rubber band method. So I'm gonna get my back section off and then we're gonna start twisting. Ready to start twisting. And here are the final results. I absolutely love how this turned out. Super cute style, and these products work and smell amazing. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.